How to refund game passes in Roblox. You want to come to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox, and log in into your account, because refund can only be done through the website version of Roblox. Inside here, you want to click on the setting icon and click on help and safety. From here, you want to choose violations and appeal. Click on it. And then you want to click on support, because we want to support Roblox. Over here, you want to enter your full name, and then you need to enter your email address over here and enter the same email address over here again to confirm it. Make sure you enter a correct email address, because Roblox is going to contact you over here to refund your game pass, okay? And over here, make sure you choose anyone, like, any console or anything you use to play Roblox. And over here, you want to select purchases using Roblox. And then over here, you want to choose inexperience item. And over here, you want to write this: I'm using to request a refund for a purchase made on my Roblox account. Enter your Roblox's username. Recently, I purchased, Game Pass. Write Game Pass over here and encountered an issue. The item did not function as expected, and I believe this warrant is refunded. Details of the purchase as below. Item name. Make sure you enter Game Pass and enter a date of purchase. After you fill this entire form up, clicking continue, Roblox will contact you under email to help you fix your issue and refund you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.